Hello guys, objective in this tutorial will be to totally emulate MySQL command line client with the help of our own Python script. So whatever you type here, we will be able to type in our script, and also we will get corresponding results. Right, so this is our target, and we need to first grab at least one thing from keyboard just to see will that work for testing purposes. So I'm gonna put that thing from keyboard in run this, or you can use whatever name you like here, and of course input from keyboard and a little bit of explanation what end user need to type here. So MySQL command or something like that. And also I like to have here like a little bit of space. Now let's pass this thing to execute method that will be done on cursor. Execute and run this without quotes, because whatever you grab from here by default is a string, and we can actually print that to confirm. So oops, what I'm doing, print type run this. So whatever you grab is a string. There you go, class string. Anyway, let's back to our example. Just a second, I need to delete this. Right, so now guys, you will say, okay, when I run this, everything will be fine. Okay, F5 and for example show databases, and we have a problem. Why is that so? Well, actually we are not reading results that are now before our virtual cursor. So we do have instruction, but we are not reading results. We must do that, and when we deal with that, the script will work. So for x in cursor, right now we are going to print that x, F5 and show databases. There you go guys, everything is fine. You have results, expected results, and again we are in Python shell, because that's what's happening. We don't have anything else in our script. So question is, well, how to do this like more interactively? Well, the thing is that we need to use while loop here. So while true, and hopefully true is always true, we are going to ask for that MySQL command all over again. So run this equals input, and this is kind of boring, but I need to type it, MySQL command. Okay, and is this enough? Well, no, because we need to have a way how to get out from script. Yes, we can kill our script when we go to X or when we press Ctrl C, but this is aggressive, this is not polite, so we must have some polite way getting out. So we will do check on run this. If this thing is quit, we will just break from a script. So if run this equals let's say uppercase quit, we will just break from loop. Why not? Okay, question is how we are going to constantly check for that cursor what is happening, but in such a way that we will evade errors. Well, we'll use try except a block of code, because it's very polite way of doing things. So we will try to execute this thing, execute, run this, and if that fails, we will use things in except part of this block of code, except. Okay. And now what we are going to do? Well, we need to target connection and not cursor. Okay, connection, and we will use method with the name rollback. And basically this line of code is a day saver, because let's read documentation a bit. This method will undo all data changes from the current transaction if something bad happens. So this will save our day basically. Okay, But is it enough? Well, no, because we need sorry, to check what's happening with the cursor. Like if this is fine, then we need to do that well-known for loop. For x in cursor, we are going to print that line if there is any line. So F5, and hopefully everything is fine. Okay, so show databases. There you go, guys, you have a result, but also our script is interactive and constantly asks us what to do next. Okay, so let me see what I'm going to do next. Here, like first manually and then through script. Like we're going to target this method in my case, I mean database. So use corp. Okay, let me see what I have there, and select all from show tables first. Show tables, right? So let's list everything from stores. So select all from stores, and there you go. This is what I have in a terminal. So let's confirm what's happening with this. Let me have it right here. Right, so select all from stores. So same request without semicolon, of course, because this is Python and not terminal. So let's press enter, and there you go, guys. It is not nice, but it will work. So let me confirm what's happening. First line, London, Gold Power Supply Unit. Speedy Gonzalez is a manager. So let me confirm. Yeah. There you go. So absolutely same stuff. Can we run something else? Like, can we describe what's happening with stores, like structure with the S3, describe stores. Okay, so this is structure of our table. Can we do that in our own custom script? Yes, but let me first resize this a bit. What I was typing, describe stores. Describe stores. And there you go, absolutely same stuff. As I said, it is kind of ugly, but it will work with the 15 lines or code, or even less, something like that. Now, here is the thing. See all these lines of results, they're basically tuples. How to say this in English? Tuples? I don't know, who cares? So you can extract all these individual elements by targeting positions of them. So if you want to extract ID, you will target position 0, and for city you will target position 1, position 2, position 3, and so on and so on. It depends what's happening with your tables. So these things are tuples. Right. That being said, what about if we want to get out? Well, we will just politely say quit and enter, and there you go, no red errors. Okay, guys, I think that was relatively self-explanatory. Let me see what I'm going to do right now. Okay, we can target those individual indexes, positions, basically columns. So we're trying to create our own custom generic report. I mean, it's kind of stupid, but it will work. Why not? Because yeah, we can grab these things by positions. So how we are going to do that? Let me see. Not here, because this is already done. So yeah, we are going to target results, and not everything in a line. We'll just grab position 0 and position, I don't know, like position 1 for now. Okay, F5, and select all from documents, because as I said, these things are generic. There you go, you have results, but it's kind of packed. So let me just get out and fix our report. Here I'm going to add tab, okay, /t, and now this thing will be a little better aesthetically. What I was about, select all from stores, let's say, so this will work. And also, let me repeat, select all from just a second, from documents, and there you go, our generic report works. And select all from what I have more here. What kind of tables I have? Right, internal control. Right, let's do that. So select all from internal control. Hopefully, yeah, that will also work. But guys, here's the thing, don't experiment too much with generic reports, because over time you will get into problems. I mean, generic stuff doesn't promise that every time your report will look nice. So yes, we can do that, but don't experiment too much. The reason why I have this tutorial is just to show that yes, you can completely emulate MySQL command line client with Python with how much lines of code? Let me check. So last line is 27. Okay, and this thing is like probably 12 or something. 1, 2, 3, blah. I don't know, who cares? I don't know how to count. Anyway, guys, this will work, and let me confirm one more time on some big sample. Select all from stores, and there you go, my stupid report. I didn't remove it. And F5 again, select all from stores. There you go. Everything works. It's kinda ugly, but it will work. And Speedy Gonzalez is a manager in most of my stores. Daffy Duck is just in some test line. I don't know. I was just practicing. Who cares? Let's get out from here and finish our tutorial. I need to render. Quit. There you go, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for support and subscription. And yep, see you next tutorial. We're gonna do probably something fun. Yep. See you there.